multiple tuples and unique underscore together. When I am defining a model and using unique underscore together in the meta, I can define more than one tuple. Are these going to be ORed or and dead? That is, let's say I have a model where either both druggy and ounces are unique or both drunk and quarts are unique, but not both.
Each tuple results in a discrete unique clause being added to the create table query. As such, each tuple is independent and an insert will fail if any data integrity constraint is violated.